JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Smart Bro R051 Prepaid Wi-Fi LTE Router. Unboxing and demonstration. Suite connections made simple with prepaid home Wi-Fi. Enjoy big data promos, ultra-fast LTE internet speeds, and easily manage your account via the GigaLife app. This modem works best in 4G areas. Comes with a free 10 GB, valid for 7 days. Bigger and better downloads. Load anywhere through any PLDT or smart channel nationwide. No installation, just plug and surf. Connects up to 5 devices. View your balance and register for promotions via the GigaLife app. Powered by Smart LTE, the fastest mobile data network as awarded by Ookla. This device works best in 4G-ready areas. Package contents: LAN cable, 12 volts DC power adapter, warranty card, setup guide, and SIM card. R051 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.